So for this slide, you're going to be talking about how do you do your best during online learning? What are some of the things that you have learned during this time that have helped you to be a better student online? So there are some guiding questions in the notes at the very bottom of your page, and I went ahead to make them a little bit easier to see. I put them on this slide for us to talk about. So these are some guiding questions to help you answer this. What have you learned during these past few months of online learning? What have you learned about yourself, about how you work, about education and school? When do you do your best schoolwork? Is it in the morning, the afternoon, the evening? What keeps you motivated? What keeps you logging in and doing your assignments online, even though you're not coming into school physically every day? What helps you get your online work done? Is it doing the readings? Is it watching the videos? Is it using the sentence stems? Is it going to office hours, checking your email, right? Like all the things that you are doing, what are the things that help you, okay? And just a little note here, we all want to come back to regular school in August, but if we have to do distance learning again at some point, what do you already know you'll need to do in order to be successful? So if we have to start next year online, for example, we don't know if we will, we don't have answers to that. But if we do, what would that look like for you? So there is an example on the next slide of a fake student and this fake student's realizations that sleeping in and waiting to do schoolwork until night was not a good plan for her, and that going to office hours was really helpful. Okay. So just as an example, and then when you're finished with your own learning from reflections from online learning, you will delete this example slide so that we can only see your learning in your slide, because after all, that is most important.